how it came to be. Now, once upon a time, the Heavenly Father decided that the years were getting too confusing because you have winter, spring, summer, fall, and they just keep happening over and over again. So he decided to name all the different years. And he picked 12 animals to run a race. And those are the animals that you know, the dragon, the snake, the dog, the rooster, the rat, so on and so forth. Now, when the race started, the rat was the smallest of all animals, so it hopped on the back of the ox. And as the ox was getting ready to cross the finish line, because, you know, slow and steady wins the race, the rat hopped off and became the first year of that zodiac. Now, the race wasn't really about who was number one or who was in second place or third place. The race was more about how the race was finished. All these different characters, all these different animals did different things along the way to either help each other, to help other people, or overcome difficulties. And those characteristics are what define